This video demonstrates how to implement batch project configuration and pre-configured deployment of AnyLink on Ruijie Cloud. The previous video introduced how to configure a network without a public IP address and how to implement visualized operation and maintenance. In this video, we cover the remaining two features of AnyLink, batch project configuration and pre-configured deployment. With batch project configuration, you can deliver configurations to all member projects within an SD-WAN group, enhancing the network configuration efficiency by streamlining device configuration and deployment. This ensures consistency across devices and allows quick adaptation to network changes. Additionally, batch configuration can be performed remotely, facilitating flexible network management and maintenance. Before batch delivering configurations, you need to create a configuration template. When a new project is added to the SD-WAN group, you can use the configuration template to quickly deliver the configurations. Click Batch Configuration to access the batch configuration page. Select the Template tab, and click Create First Template. Enter the template name, select the configuration items, enter the configuration parameters, and click Save. Click Edit, Copy, or Delete buttons in the upper right corner to edit, copy, or delete the template. Select Batch Configuration to access the batch configuration page. Select the projects to be configured, and click Batch Deliver Configurations. Click the drop-down list box next to the template and select the template to be imported. After the configuration is complete, click Configuration Preview to verify whether the selected projects support the configuration items in the template. Then, click Deliver. Click View Configuration Logs to view the configuration delivery details. Click the Add icon on the left to expand the configuration details. With the pre-configuration feature, you can create a pre-configuration template and deliver the configurations to projects before they are added to an SD-WAN group, enabling zero-touch provisioning on-site. Select Pre-configuration. Click Create your first pre-configuration. Enter the pre-configuration name. Select the configuration items and configure the configuration parameters. Click Create Pre-configuration. Ruijie Cloud provides two methods for applying a pre-configuration template. Bind SN for automatic provisioning. This method is applicable to scenarios where the project has not yet been created. Apply template via app initiation. This method is applicable to scenarios where a project has been created. Next, we will explain the configuration steps for the two methods. Bind the SN of any device in the new project to the pre-configuration template in advance. Once the device connects to the internet, the pre-configuration will be automatically delivered to the devices in the project. This method is applicable to scenarios where the project has not yet been created. Click Bind Device. Bind the SN of any device in the project in any of the following ways. Click plus Add Project. Enter the project name, device SN, and observation period. Click Scan to add. Scan the QR code using Reyee app. Click Scan QR code to scan the QR code at the bottom of the device, enter the project name, project password and observation period, and click Bind to Pre-configuration Template. Click Batch Add. Click Download Template. Open the downloaded template, enter the project name, device SN, project password, and observation period. Once the template is completed, return to Ruijie Cloud. Click Select an .xls or .xlsx file to upload the template. After the template is uploaded successfully, you will be redirected to the list of bound devices. All devices on the network will undergo automatic verification in Ruijie Cloud, after which the pre-configurations will be delivered to them. If you need to bind the SN of a device from a new project to the pre-configuration template later, you can click the bind icon in the action column and choose any of the preceding 3 methods. A QR code is generated for the pre-configuration. Use Reyee app to scan and deliver the configurations to the devices. This method is typically applicable to scenarios where technical personnel are available on-site to complete the provisioning process. Click View QR code to share it with the on-site technical personnel. They will create a project using Reyee app or eWeb. Once the project is created, on-site technical personnel can scan the QR code with Reyee app to apply the pre-configuration to the new project. If you need to share the pre-configuration with other live projects, click the QR code icon in the action column and share the QR code with the on-site technical personnel. By now, we have covered the 4 key features of AnyLink. It is time to create your first SD-WAN group and explore the benefits of the AnyLink solution. To follow this issue, comment on our video or send an email to us. See you in the next video.